Hello, my name is Hunterific, part of the Junkyard Jugglers of Hawaii. Now today I will be teaching some juggling. Now I believe before you actually learned this and then into this. Today you are going to grab the second ball and just like before, going like this, but instead you're going to reference back to number 2 and this, and you want to combine them to look something like this. And now, you want to start with both hands. Of course, I'm better doing it like this, but you want to practice with both sides because eventually you're going to be doing it on both sides. Thank you.